So in this video, I want to talk about the Pilot Hi-Tec-C Coleto as a pencil. This is one of my favorite multi-pens of all time. I've been using, various ones of these, usually the two color in, different versions of it for, 15 years, like forever. And I pretty much always use it as a two color multi-pen. I get these refills, they're sold in 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 millimeter. And I usually go with 0.5. I get two weird colors, I put them together, and that's kind of it, right? And for me, it's a solid multi-pen. Even if these refills are, you run through them quickly, they're not super reliable, but it's just a fun pen and one that is very near and dear to me. So I just bought another one of these, and again, you can buy these for about $2 for the pen body. And this time I will outfit it as a pencil. I've done this in the past, but I realized I'd never done a video about it. So here is the pencil and the eraser. It's like essentially just a combination of the two, and you use a pencil and eraser in the pen body as opposed to two ink colors. Okay, so my favorite of the Hi-Tec-C Coletos is the two color in clear. There are some like 3 color, 4 color, 5 colors. But for me, I really love this pen body. It's very skinny. It has the ribbed grip over here, which I think is very cool and old school. It's just great looking. I think these were briefly sold in a light blue that's become impossible to find, but I just really love this pen body. And first of all, we have this one. This is the 0.5 millimeter mechanical pencil insert. This thing is I think $5 or $6. It's not cheap. So, I'm not necessarily recommending people go out and do this, but it is an extremely cool piece. There's a piece here like this, like a straw type thing that this just protects the metal pen body during transit, but this thing itself doesn't do anything. Just pop this open. This piece goes down and it goes here like that, put it in place. And here's how it looks like. It will stick out a little bit. It's bigger than you think because you have to be able to push it down again once it's inserted. That's why it sticks out so much, and it just pops out. It's not super comfortable, but it does work. Again, not my favorite, as far as how it feels, but I love using this pen body. The other piece, of course, is the eraser. And they do have eraser refills, so you don't have to buy a new eraser component every time. But here's that eraser. This one also comes in the straw. And basically you have a metal piece here and a pretty big eraser here. So again, we will pop this piece open and slide it down. So it definitely looks weird. If you're used to the pen, the top of, so this little round piece, it barely sticks out from the body. The pencil and eraser versions do stick out a whole lot, so it looks quite strange, but it is, it's definitely distinctive and kind of fun. So what you do is you will see this 0.5 millimeter. This one is E for eraser. This one is gray, this one is white. When you want to use the pencil, you push it down. It sort of pops in like that. So it's still out protruding, but not as much as before. You could extend the pencil as much as you'd want. And then when you want to switch, you push this piece down and you have the eraser. It definitely looks cool. It looks like it's made for it. The eraser you could stick down is just like the pencil. And again, the eraser is refillable. Then you switch between them just like you normally want. If you did for some reason not want to use the pen and pencil combination, you can put an eraser, you can put a pen in there. Let's just show everyone for reference what that looks like. And I will keep, there's really no reason to have an eraser and a green pen, so I'll take out the eraser. Gotta be careful with these things, are a little fickle. The pencil and the eraser are the most sensitive. The pen, the refills are not particularly sensitive. So this piece you just want to put out and just slide that into the rail. And you can see it's not exactly the same on both sides. You have the pencil, it's quite large, even pushed in is quite large, and then the pen, which is barely sticking out, and then when you push it down, the pen hides in there, which is very cool. That means if you only have a single color, you can't get the pen out, but that's not how it's designed. You're supposed to be able to push down on the other side to release the pen. There's the fit of the pen. There is what the pencil looks like. It definitely looks like it sticks out just a tiny bit too much, but that's fine. Even with the lead, still looks a little bit too far stuck out. Okay, so we'll switch back to how we had it. One of the problems with this, of course, is that this is a pretty expensive setup. It's about $2 for the body, I think about $6 for the pencil, and maybe $4 for the eraser. So you're into, like a $12 mechanical pencil. It's very cool, and if you're a Hi-Tec-C Coleto fan or Hi-Tec-C fan, then I think you'll be okay with the pricing, but it's not nothing, especially given how good there are. Like you can get super high quality multi-pens for the same price. But anyway, okay, so we will push this out, start writing. We have the Pilot Hi-Tec-C Coleto. So just a 0.5 millimeter HB, nothing crazy. That's how the eraser looks. Not the best eraser. Has a little bit too much friction, and again, it's so skinny. I think it's a 2 millimeter eraser that you go through it pretty quickly. So not super practical, but it's a fun setup and just a Hall of Fame multi-pen. So be able to get a little bit more time in with this body is a lot of fun. And sooner or later, I promise you, they will stop selling this pen body. They will stop selling these two components, and they will become collector's items. So I don't feel that bad about having it now and supporting one of my favorite products of all time, but this thing is really best as a multi-pen. It's just fun that you could turn it into a pencil as well. And then if you want to have don't use the 2-color, use the 4-color or the 3-color, then you could have your pen, your pencil, and then you can have an eraser, a pen, and a pencil, and that is very cool. Not a lot of multi-pens out there, regardless of who makes it or whatever, support an extendable eraser. Most of them have something kind of like this, where you have this weird cap and then a junky little eraser hidden away. It's not extendable, it's super tiny, and it's not part of the multi-pen experience when you could push it out and extend the eraser. So the Coleto has an advantage on that, even if it is a super skinny little eraser that goes down pretty quickly. But yeah, that is the Pilot Hi-Tec-C Coleto pen and pencil mechanisms. Just a lot of fun.